So this is gonna be a little different video because I'm a little upset. Because this video, we're gonna be talking about this film underneath my scarf right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you the process. You gotta see this. You got to see the process before you even see what's underneath this scarf. But first, I'm gonna let y'all know what I used. So, I got a few people, and you guys, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I actually used to be in love with this product. This is the Jane Carter Solution Nourish and Shine. And I'm not saying that I don't love it anymore. That's not what I'm saying. I think it is an amazing product, but it's actually like a thick butter, as you're gonna see in the video. So there's that. We use this in conjunction with the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I wanted to take it back to the Wet Line because I feel like I have been not using my Wet Line as much, and I know a lot of you guys have the Wet Line, so I wanted to get another combination that I like with this. So I wanted to try something else out, so I was like, let me try a butter and a gel. I did get somebody on my favorites video ask about this product as well because they knew I liked it so much. Yeah, I'm sorry. David keep texting me. Thanks, babe. Anyway, so they knew that I love this butter, so I wanted to just test out one of my favorite gels with this butter, and well, let's just go ahead and start the video. All right, so you guys know I have to do my little subsection in the back, so I got my small section ready to go. I got my water, actually warm water in here, ready to go. And let's get started. So let me go ahead and spray my hair because y'all can see it ain't really that wet no more. All right, so I'm not gonna spray too much. I'm just gonna spray a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my butter. There's nothing like a nice fresh product. So this is how it looks, you guys. And it is like thick. So as you can see, it's like a butter. I like to put like a little bit on my hands, warm that up, and it doesn't go on like, I don't know how to explain how it goes on, but I do love this product. I just haven't used it on my hair in so long, so I just make sure I work it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take some of my Wet Line gel. I don't want to take too much because I can be heavy-handed. Oops. And then you want to make sure I get them ends, girl. Ooh. This looking great. This looking nice and stretched already. Okay. Okay. Let's see you here. Y'all can see my roots having trouble. But this ain't no style factor, so you know Wet Line ain't gonna really lay it like that. It's okay though. It's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. And you guys know we're gonna listen to some music. And then I'll be right back.
Keep taking your time, your clock has run. I'm almost done. Don't you miss your deadline, hun?
You're not the only one looking for someone like me. Someone like me, I'm not the only one. Look at the end of the fisherman, fisher for me. Fisher for me, I'm not the only one. Look at the only one looking for someone like me. Someone like me, I'm not the only one. Only one of me in the sea. Must be tipsy if you can't see. You think I ain't got options? All I gotta do is wear a nice dress to a function. Even your boys, they come. You might not see my worth, but I know that I am worth a lump. Some you gon' look back and feel like a dumb. You think I ain't got options? Not enough, and I'm way too much. Say I make things hard. Maybe you're just soft. I'm too good for you. That's your main excuse. Rise on up and choose. If you don't, you lose. You lose.
If it's not enough, then I make too much. Say I make.
Okay. All right. So this ain't it. This ain't it. I'm not even finna let this dry. This ain't it, friend. This ain't it. Hey. This ain't it, friend. This ain't it. Hey. I basically have just been spoiled. Custards are my thing. This has no slip. I don't like products with no slip. Therefore, everything is just so patchy And I think the wet line with this, because of all this frizz I see already, like look, like it's not clumping any of my curls really. They're just living. I mean, some of them are clumped, like this one. Beautiful. Like, this one beautiful. These are beautiful. But the rest of these, I don't really know what's going on. So we're not going to do this today. No, we're not. And some of y'all probably looking at it like, oh my God, it looks good. It does not look bad. Okay, I'm going to go wash this out. I'm going to do a whole wash and go in the shower. I'm going to do a whole wash and go in the shower. And I'm going to come out and show you guys what my hair looks like. This is too poofy. Look at this. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower and redo my hair. And then I will come back. Okay. 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 Let me tell you. Okay, Brandon, wait. Let me get that little drip. Get that drip out of me. But, like, get into my curls right quick. Like, wait, you want to? Okay. Okay, guys, let me tell you what I did, though. So, I got in the shower, and I had all intentions of washing everything out of my hair, but all I did was stand under the shower and just let the water just run down my hair. And then I was looking, because I have a shower mirror. Because I have a shower mirror, I was actually looking into the mirror, and I was like, wait, my curls starting to pop. And y'all know the power of water. So literally I did not shampoo or anything. I just wet my hair, put some more wet line on top, and this is what I got. So this is the same exact combo with just more freaking water. So this is what my hair looks like with just some more water on it and then some more wet line gel on it. And oh my God, it looks so nice, so shiny, banging. And I decided to do a side part today. I tried to do a little edges try, but you know, with your fingers, I can't do too much. So, yeah, I am loving it. So what I'm going to do now, I know this video is probably all over the place at this point. Love, hate. This is a love-hate relationship. But I am going to go ahead and dry my hair. And when I am done with all that good stuff, I am going to come back and show you guys the finished look. All right, so we're back here. We're back here, friend, and this is what happened, and this is why this wash and go was a fail. This product, along with me hopping my butt back in that shower, no way, it was gonna dry. Like, there was just no way for that to dry. Not quick enough. And I have sat under the hooded dryer. I have blow dried for like 30-40 minutes, and I have been asleep for more than 8 hours. And now it's like 12 o'clock. Basically, it's been a long time. I slept on it. It should have been dry. There's no wash and go that I've done that has not been dry, but this ain't dry. This is why I don't use butters. My hair can't take all that. Not no more. I am moisture trained, so I can't be going in with a whole bunch of moisture and then plus that butter with all that water. It just wasn't gonna work. So we are learning a lesson today. But as we learn this lesson, friend, this ain't it. It's still wet. Still super wet. As if I didn't even take a blow dryer to it. Where is this water coming from? Why is it still wet? Hella shrinkage. Hella shrinkage. Hella frizz. Hella frizz. It could be salvaged into a nice little bob. But it's so wet. It's like super wet right here. My pillows are soaked. And like I said, y'all, I dried my hair for hours on hours, okay? There has been, like I said, I've been asleep. The curls ain't that bad. They're not horrible. They're not. And I could salvage this into looking half decent. But I wouldn't do this again. This is not my flavor. It's so frizzy up here. Like, it may look defined in this camera. I don't know, but honey, it's so frizzy. And it just look, girl, wet. Oh, child. Also, listen, I know my nail is broken. You don't have to tell me. It hurts. It hurts so bad. I'm gonna go get my nails done as soon as this healed. I actually slammed it. I didn't slam it. Actually, I was doing something with my car door. And it broke, and it hurt so bad. But we're not talking about that. Anyway, this is above me now. Well, I don't know what my next combo is, but let's put them down in the comment section what you think my next combo should be. What do you want me to try out? But that ain't it. If it includes a butter, no, okay? It don't have to be a custard, though, but just stay away from anything shea buttery. We ain't doing that no more. So, but I do think this product still would be bomb for a twist out. Don't get me wrong. But in conjunction with this gel for a wash and go and all that, for the time you need to dry all that stuff I need in my wash and go, it just ain't it, okay? I need it to be quick. This right here takes a minute to warm up in your hand, and then when you applying it and stuff. Anyway, you guys, that's all for this video. I'm about to just start rambling now, and I got work to do. So I'm going to talk to y'all in my next video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
And I'm way too
I'm
much.
not enough, and I'm way too
You
much.
think I ain't got options?